Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome back to Electropixels. In today's video, we are going to discuss the installation of a universal motherboard in an old model LG LED TV. In this TV, the original motherboard was completely damaged due to a lightning issue. So, to bring the TV back to working condition, we installed the latest universal motherboard with Unisoc processor, model TR67.03. First, we connected all the required connections properly, including the power supply sockets, LVDS cable, speaker connections, and IR sensor wires. Here we also connected the motherboard using the default original LG TV sensor wiring, so there was no need for extra modifications. One more advantage of this motherboard is that it comes with its own remote, but it also supports the original LG TV remote, which is very convenient for users. Now let's power on the TV and check the display. As you can see, the TV powers on successfully and the picture appears, but the display image is upside down. This is a common issue while installing universal motherboards because different display panels require different settings. To correct this issue, we need to enter the factory service mode. For that, press the Input button on the remote and then press 208. Now we have entered into the service menu successfully. Next, follow the steps shown in the video carefully to correct the upside-down picture problem. After changing the required panel settings and restarting the TV, you can see that the picture is now displayed correctly. We also enabled the TV auto power on feature from the service menu settings. Finally, we fixed the motherboard securely inside a protective box and attached it properly to the TV back cover for safety and neat installation. After completing everything, let's turn on the TV once again and check the final output. As you can see, the picture is now perfectly clear and the TV is working completely normal again. These universal motherboards are very useful and cost-effective solutions to restore the TV back to working condition. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Electropixels, and press the bell icon for more TV repairing videos and technical updates. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.